Hello guys, this is Alexander Izar. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to change the glow plugs on a 3-liter V6 Mercedes Benz engine. This is the OM642. You need to take off the top cover. My recommendation is to go with original glow plugs. This is the part number for the second version of the glow plugs for the steel version ones. In order to change the glow plugs, you need to take off the top cover. And you'll have to take off the Y of the intakes. Using a 7mm hex socket, we unscrew this bolt, and this bolt. And then we need to proceed with the Torx to unscrew this bolt over here, this one over there, this one over there, and that one over there. Of course, in my case, I went with the hillbilly way. I will have to unscrew those screws which hold their boxes in place, but I'll do that later on. Checking the turbo, clean. We've got some very low oil deposits over there. Now we need to disconnect the MAF sensors from the Y pipe, and then we continue straight on. Now, just by using an E10 Torx socket, we unscrew this component over here. Now, what I've done in order to unplug the glow plugs, you see each one is unplugged. One's over there. Let's see what we've got. It's got some dirt. One is over here. Same, it has some dirt, and the other one's over here. Don't know if you can see it very well, but it's over there. Then we've got this one, that one, and that one. I've used this kind of tool to unclip the connector from that one over there, and I've used this clips to unconnect the rest of the ones. Okay, so in order to blow the air using a compressor, you have this medium long pistol, and put it over there. One thing to do is cover up the turbo. Forgot to do that. It's clean. Nothing went by it or into it. Okay. And then that was one. The second one. And the third one. Let's continue with the rest of them. I've got on hand a 100 milliliter syringe, and I've got on hand some used brake fluid. Now you get the idea. You don't need a whole lot. This should be enough. Be careful to not overflood the wells. Just put a little bit, a few drops, and it goes a long way. Be careful not to spill it on any paint. Okay, so let me show you what I've done. Going with the first glow plug, I've flooded a bit the area. It's not like I wanted it to happen like that. Why are you not focusing? Okay, second glow plug and third glow plug. Now on this side we have the fourth one, the fifth one, and the sixth one. Now it's gonna be easy once you'll let it sit overnight. You're gonna get the next day the compressed air with a rag on it and blow some air over there, and then we start loosening things up. Okay guys, so this is the third day since I've let it simmer overnight. Let's see what we've got. So there's no more juice in any of those wells. Well, maybe over here it is a bit, and probably over there. Here we've got a lot, and on the last one again. Now where we have some brake fluid left, I suggest using a syringe with a needle and extract as much brake fluid as possible. I'll do this off camera, of course. It's a no-brainer, and you can do it yourselves as well without any issues. Okay, so now that we have cleaned everything as best as possible, we have one glow plug here, one glow plug here, and one over here. And yeah, now's the funny moment. Taking the 8mm socket. Now we see the moment of truth. Whew. God bless. Okay, so we get this small rubber hose and we feed it over the plug, and we grab it out. As you can see, I don't know if it's visible or not, this finger is dried, right? So you can see that the the brake fluid went and did its job. And it's off. This is a trick which I've learned from my uncle who died a couple of years ago. God bless his soul. And this is the the bad glow plug. See, it's bad. Didn't have a lot of buildup. So this one has a lot of brake fluid. Okay, this one is in good order. This one again is in good order. Okay, and the last one, God bless, God be praised. .2 millimeter. Crank the engine up. But in order to do that, I will disconnect the fuel rail sensor, and yeah, that should do it. You know, we just want to crank the engine up and blow out any impurities from the combustion chamber. Okay, so we take a glow plug and we use the Special Ceramic Fat or Special Ceramic Grease. This is the part number from Febi. You can find it from different OEMs as well, but it's a bit more expensive. And you put just a dab, not a lot, just a bit, so that in the end, after a couple of 1,000 kilometers, 40, 50, 60,000 kilometers, you can break the glow plugs free with ease and don't risk breaking them in the engine head. So now, first one. Be careful not to cross thread it, and do it by hand. Then pull on the hose. Just a bit, and that's it. Torque wrench, sorry, with the torque wrench, and torque them at 10 Newton meters. And that's it. Okay, so right now all the spark plugs are in their wells and hand tightened using the trick I've showed you earlier with a hose, 3.2 millimeter hose. Now you take the torque wrench, have it set at 11 Newton meters, and then just like that. Breaking whole sweats. That's 11 Newton meters for you guys. Whew. This is Alexandre Zar. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked the video. Click the like, share and subscribe buttons, and hope to see you next time. Goodbye.